So you're getting Instagram DMs and answering every single one? Exhausting. What if you could automate your Instagram DMs to sell for you even while you sleep? Interesting, right? Let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use ManyChat to automate your DMs and convert your views and DMs into sales effortlessly without feeling robotic. Stick around because I'm going to be sharing the exact scripts I use to convert my DMs into sales every single time. Let's dive in.
Hello everybody, welcome to the tutorial where we're going to learn MiniChats. So many of you guys signed up to my waitlist, which I'm so excited about because I'm really excited about this product. And by the way, I'm trying this mic, the podcast mic, for the first time, and I'm so excited. It looks a little fancy and bougie, But let's come back to MiniChat. I've been using ManyChat for over a year now, and interestingly, if you see that I only have 398 contacts on ManyChat. ManyChat charges you per contact, okay? So 1 month you're billing probably $50, the other month it's $100 because your contact list has increased. However, what I have started doing is I build my email list with ManyChat. So I transfer all of my ManyChat contacts to my email, and then I just delete all of these contacts from ManyChat because ManyChat is not just a tool. And by the way, ManyChat is a tool that I use to automate my Instagram comments and DMs. So if you've ever commented a keyword just like you did to get this tutorial, you know that I've been using it to respond to comments and DMs and send freebies or YouTube tutorials or links to my digital products right via ManyChat. It's so easy and convenient, definitely. Plus, ManyChat is not just a tool to send links. It definitely is a tool where you can, through which you can do your entire marketing. Although I use email as a primary marketing channel, so I do not need a lot of contacts on ManyChat. So it's very important for me that I have a channel that is a little automated because who has the time to manually do all of these things? And gladly ManyChat provides everything that you need. I collect all of my emails on ManyChat and then I transfer those emails to my email systems, and that is where people get my emails, right? So if you see, I only have 398 contacts. I definitely pay less than $50 a month or about $50 a month on ManyChat. And I know a lot of people who are paying like $600, $700. Woo, hello, you can delete your contacts. Just know how to ask for those email addresses so that you can build your email list. But yes, your business, your investments, I think it's a great tool. And if you're using it for, your primary tool for marketing, of course, having that contact list makes sense. Okay, fine. Let's go to the tutorial now. If you see, this is my ManyChat homepage. This is what it looks like. And now if I'll go to automations, this is what it will start to look like. These are my automations. Don't worry about all of these folders and so many automations. And definitely if you're new, don't worry about any of these. By the way, I have the link in the description for a 30-day free trial. If you're new to ManyChat, I highly recommend it. There's a free trial, which I love, and it's awesome. I think you'll love this tool. But in my journey, I've learned that organization is really important. And that's why I have folders for everything, every automation that I have. I still haven't been able to, put these things on the folder, but most of them are now turned off. So I don't need them. Yeah, but so let's just build our email list for now. Why these stop blabbering and let's just build our email list. Okay, let me show you how do I do that. I'll use something called grow your email list. And this is how I'm growing my email list for my wait list for the launch of my new product, which again, I'm launching it towards the end of April. I've launched an entire 45-day challenge for it, and it's going to be awesome. And you can sign up to my waitlist for exclusive bonuses and discounts. But yeah, let's build this grow your email list automation on ManyChat. What I'll do is I'll go to new automation. And here in the templates, you'll directly find a template called grow your email list. I'm just going to click on this. It is this easy. I'm not kidding. It is this easy. Okay, I'll just set up a template. And that's how it looks like. So I'll just change the name. I'll say ManyChat chat funnel tutorials. So the exact funnel through which you came and watched this video, I'm going to set up in front of you. Okay, it's going to be really awesome. User sends a message that says chat. This is a DM message that the user is sending. It was automatically saved. I just clicked here. Otherwise, you can go on save here, and then I'll click on a new trigger, which is comments on your post and your reel. Now, if you're on the free version, you do not get the option of all posts and reels or the next post and reel because this is the paid or the pro version, but the free version also is good. All you have to do is post the reel and then you use that specific reel, click on that specific reel, and people will be able to access and get through your funnel, okay? But because I am a pro user right now, so I'll use all posts and reels and continue. The keyword again is chat. It's not case sensitive, so you can have all capital, all small letters, that's fine. And I'll click on continue. I do not want to send multiple random replies. This is something that I do myself so that I can keep a tab on all the comments that people are sending. If they have any questions, I really like to personally answer comments. So this is something that I will not do. And then save. Okay, the trigger is set. I will also add a new trigger, which is user replies to stories. So anytime people reply to my story with a certain keyword, or they send me a DM with that keyword, or they send, comment on my post with that keyword, this is what I'm going to do. Instead of reply contains any word or reaction, I will say specific words or reactions, and that is chat. Okay. Do I want to react with a heart in response? I do want to do that. I really like it. I think it personalizes everything a little bit. So I really like that. And I'm going to save it. All of our triggers are now ready. And then I'm going to send a message. So they already have a template in place. It is literally that easy. I'm not kidding. But yeah, we're going to change certain things. Hi, thanks for reaching out. We are excited, blah, blah, blah. No, we like a little personalization. Okay. Always do some personalization. Hi. I'm going to do a little bit of personalization. I'm going to say, hi, first name, if they have a first name. If not, you can just say, hi, I am excited. I really am. I'm excited you're here and watching this video. I'm excited you're interested in my content let's just say in the free tutorial. In the free tutorial of building your chat funnel. And I would love to send you the video. Okay. And I would love to send you the video. Perfect. To get the free video, please leave your email below. Now, the good thing with this chat funnel, which is directly into ManyChat, is that contact reply with email. And here, ManyChat automatically detects if the email field is correct or not. So if people are trying to BS you around just for that freebie and they're not giving their actual emails, ManyChat will automatically detect that, which I personally like, so that you are sure that all of your energy, you're putting so much effort into it, all of your energy is going into giving it to the right people. Okay, people who are serious about it. Okay. And then you can always set, if people will not respond right away, and that's perfect, but you can always say if contact has not responded, in 23 hours, the data collection expires, which means if they respond after 23 hours, they might not get your links. Okay. So if you want to change that, you can always change that to days. You can change that to seconds or minutes, however urgent you want to make it, you can do that. Okay. And then if people send a wrong message, you can always say, please enter a correct email address. That is me@mail.com. You can always personalize this one. All right. This is something that I really like, and this is a feature that I think is extremely important. Okay. Now we're done with this. I'm going to just click on this. This is all saved. This is all done. And now if you see here, okay, if you want to add this content block, you want to add some text, simple text and buttons, you want to personalize it with visuals, you can add that. You can add a delay. So you don't want to send a message right away. You want to send it 5 minutes later. You can always do that, All right. And then there is data collection, which is collect emails, phones, and more, which we are already doing here. Okay. So that's not needed for this template. If you go here, this is already done and this is already saved. If you go here, if the contact has not responded, you can customize this message just like we did the last one. Are you still here? Do you still want it? Are you still interested? All of that. And if the person has responded, everything goes through. You can have a next step where you say, awesome, you're all set. Click the link to grab your ebook. Instead of the ebook, I have to move all of these things around. I'll just put it there. Click the link to grab the free. I usually don't use words like grab your freebie, grab your free guide. It feels like, for me, it feels like a little salesy. It feels like, and if somebody tells me grab the free video or grab your spot, maybe I like it, but grab your free guide, no, I don't know. Doesn't make sense, but that's my personal choice, right? Take me to the video and I just simply link the video here. Okay, this is too much okay, I'll just say click here. Perfect, not too bad. And I'll just link my YouTube video. This is ManyChat's YouTube video, but I'll link the exact video here. And that's it. I can set it live whenever I'm done, and then it goes live. That's how easy that is, right? Like now that we have collected the emails, what do we do next, right? If you go to settings and if you go to these fields which are integrations, you can see that there are already a lot of integrations that ManyChat has it can have integrations with your email provider already. So if whatever system you're using for email marketing, ActiveCampaign, you have a HubSpot account or you have a ConvertKit account, you can directly integrate that system. If you're doing it a little manually or you do not have an email list right now, which is totally okay, by the way, you can simply connect it to Google Sheets. Okay, you connect it to Google Sheets, and all of the emails or all of the data that you want to collect, people are entering that data, and it is directly going as it's going on your Google Sheet or your Excel file. Google Sheet is kind of an Excel from Google, but going to that Google Sheets, row by row, their information is collected, and then you can manually reach out to them, send an email, send to all, send privately, send them that email, or import that email list in your existing provider or email marketing provider. You can do that. Basically, when you have collected all of that data, you can download it, keeping with you, directly integrate with your campaign account. You can do that, and that's exactly, so simply you built a system where you collect emails directly from ManyChat. So you also know that you are actually sending your great resources to people who are actually interested, and they also do not have any dummy data to share with you, which is of no use for you. Plus, you can delete your ManyChat contacts, and you can lower down that ManyChat subscription fee. And I think I really like it. Yeah. So that's it for now. I hope this was helpful. If you want more info on what I do, I'm a digital products coach and I teach people how to create digital products. This is my YouTube channel and you can subscribe for more.
Isn't it awesome? You can actually convert your DM chat into a sales engine that makes money while you sleep. If this helped, drop a heart in the comments and I'll share my exact ManyChat flow that I use to convert DMs into sales for free. And if you want more Instagram sales hacks like this one, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.